In order to compose cinematic shots for your films, camera angles can totally change the meaning of the shots. Mastering camera angles will greatly improve your storytelling and help your audience to connect with your film. In this video, we are going to break down different camera angles, what they mean, and how they can greatly improve your storytelling in your films. The first shot we are going to be looking at is the eye-level shots. Eye-level shots are shots where the camera is placed around the level of the human eyes. An eye-level shot is also one of the tricks filmmakers use to make viewers feel the emotions of a character. It is used to increase the sense of sympathy and connection between the viewers and the character. The eye-level shot is a neutral angle and the most common camera angle in filmmaking because it shows the film reality without manipulating the viewer with unusual perspectives. The second camera angle we'll be looking at is the low angle shot. In filmmaking, a low angle shot is a shot from a camera angle positioned below the eye line, pointing upwards. Low angle shots are often used to convey power and dominance in a scene. The low angle shot makes the character in the scene look imposing and in control of their environment. When you observe most Hollywood films, especially in scenes where two characters are in battle, the character in dominion, or the strongest character in the scene, is almost always portrayed from a low angle. Inverting the low angle shot brings us to the third shot, which is the high angle shot. Now, a high angle shot is a technique where the camera looks down on the subject from an elevated perspective. High angle shots can make subjects seem vulnerable or powerless. A high angle shot can be used for narrative purposes, like to show things that will be hard to see from any other angle, especially battle scenes or when showing a large space that has a lot of visual information. Can be used to establish the scale of a crowd or just give a particular context to the scene. High-angle shots can also be used to portray the vulnerability of the character in a scene. It can show that the character has lost control or is at the mercy of a more dominant character in the scene. The next shot we'll be talking about is the ground level shot. The ground level shot is self-explanatory. It's simply when the camera height is on ground level with that of your subject. This camera angle can be used to feature a character walking without revealing their face. It can be used to portray mystery because when you look at the scene and you just see the feet of the character moving in the scene, you begin to ask yourself, who is this person? Where are they? Like, these are the questions that get in the mind of viewers, and the ground level shot is a perfect tool to elicit that kind of emotion in your viewers. The next shot we'll be talking about is the Dutch angle. The Dutch angle is when the camera is slanted to one side, and this can be used to create a sense of disorientation or even increase tension in the scene. It usually portrays to the viewers that something is not right, because as soon as you look at a scene and the camera angles are slanted to one side, you immediately or subconsciously get the idea that something is not right in the scene. And the Dutch angle is a very perfect tool to elicit that kind of emotion in the viewers. The next shot we're talking about is the hip level shot. Sometimes it can be referred to as a cowboy shot. The cowboy shot or the hip level shot is when your camera is roughly waist high. Hip level shots are also useful when one of the characters in the scene is sitting and the other is standing. The hip level shot is also useful when you have action that occurs near the hip, like weapons being drawn or someone reaching into their pocket. The last shot we'll be talking about in today's video is the aerial shot. An aerial shot can be taken from a helicopter or a drone, but one of the characteristics of an aerial shot is that it's shot from way up high and it is used to establish a large expanse of scenery. It's also a variation or an extreme example of a high angle shot. Now that you have seen these camera angles, make sure to include them in your films and improve your storytelling. And if you like more videos like this, filmmaking, photography, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. And I'll see you in the next one.